Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we learned how to set up Better Auth with Next.js and we got everything set up. In this one, we're going to be actually looking into how do you log in and sign up a user. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what we have here is I've created a login folder, a private folder, and a sign up folder. And here we have a page.tsx. It's basically a page, and it's very self-explanatory what they do. It's for login, and this page is protected, the private page. It's not yet protected. We're going to add the protection later, but you get the point. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the sign up form, where it's just basically a UI that I copied from Shadcn UI. And if you want to see it, let's come here and click on the sign up button. It's basically email, password, and full name. We have a sign up email function which get triggers whenever we click on the sign up button. So let's get started. The first thing is I'll be using Auth client, and because again, this is a client component, so you cannot use the normal Auth. And here I will be signing up the user. Sign up, no, not sign out, sign up the user. And I'm going to be signing up through email. So you need a name here, and the name is just the full name. And you need a email here, and you need a password here. And one thing I really like about this is that you get these callback of on success, which runs whenever everything goes successfully. And here what I want to do is I just want to toast a success message that user created. Apparently I can't spell created, but anyway. I'm gonna be using the router to push us to the private folder. It's just like a UI thing. It's really not that important, but if you want to use this, you can do it. And so let's test out the sign up page that we created. So let's just use an email. I'll just use abc@gmail.com, and the password, I'm just gonna call my password ABC. So that's it. Let's click on the sign up button. Yep, we're signed up. And since we're signed up, if you want to verify that you're signed up, go to storage. You're going to see a Better Auth secret, and that is your session token. And that's very good. And now what we're going to do is we're going to actually delete the token, because now we're going to implement the login functionality. So delete it from your cookies. And let's go to the login folder. And here, login form, let's come here. It's pretty simple. It's basically the same thing that we did here, which is await auth client dot sign in dot email. So rather than signing up, we're going to be signing in. And email, password, pretty simple stuff. And you know what? I'm just going to copy this on success from here, because again, it's just very repetitive. User, you're signed in. And we're going to push it there. So let's check out the sign up page. So if you click on the login, which is the same as sign up, you're going to come here. Let's use the abc@gmail.com account that we had created, and use the password as the password that we written. And if we click on the login button, we should be logged in. Boom, we're logged in. So now let us create some other things, which is how do you protect a route? So the first route that I'm willing to protect is actually the sign up and the sign in route, because you don't want people to go to this route when they're signed up and signed in. So what you're going to do here is you're going to create a session variable. And by the way, in order for this to work, make sure that in your auth file, auth.ts, in the plugins, you've added the next cookies plugin, because without this, it's not going to work. And add a session, we're going to be using auth.api.getSession. And here, we're going to be passing in the headers. And in headers, we're going to be passing in the headers from Next.js. And this is where the session is. And basically, if there's no session, basically, if there is a session, then what we're going to do is we're going to redirect to the private page. Nah, not the private page. Let's just put them to the main page, and let's just copy the same code and put it in the login page. Yep. Let's just put it up here. Auth needs to be imported. Headers needs to be imported. Let's just make it an async function. Redirect needs to be imported. So let's just check the functionality of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the login. Let's see if I'm able to go there. And boom, I get redirected here. How about sign up? Oh shit, how about sign up? Boom, I get redirected to the main page. But now let's do the main thing, which is how do you protect the private page? Well, it's pretty simple. You're going to do exactly what we've been doing. So just paste the code here and headers and all that, and make sure you import redirect from Next Navigation, because that took me a while to figure out. I don't know why, but yeah. And this is how you protect the session. We're going to redirect it to this main part. And this page is not, this page is private page. And so let's test it out. Let's go to the private page /private. And boom, we're in the private page. And that's it, guys. That's how you use Better Auth to sign up and log in a user. And that's it. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe if you want to, and have a nice day.